Igbo language is very, very difficult. Not only the pronunciation for Oibo like me. It's in my blood to mispronounce everything, or you might not understand, but if it's Azu, I will say Azu. If it's Igbo, I will say Igbo. And those things, they mean different things. Oh, you say one for Igbo, you say one for Igbo. Hi, Odiro Izu. But it's not about the words or the pronunciation, it's also about the gesture, okay? Igbo people like to speak with their mouth, with their eyes, with their hands. In fact, the whole body is involved. So if you want to tell, like, you know, you use the hand, the head. It's still the same word though, but it means a different thing. Oh, God forbid. God forbid, you make like this. God forbid. Fear. What is this? It's like you're dancing. No. God forbid. Fear. I refuse it. In Jesus' name. What else? Just thinking. Like when you're really angry and you want to show somebody, I swear to God, I'll kill you. You do something with your finger in your mouth and touch the ground. Touch the ground. And then you raise it. I swear, I'll kill you. So funny. We don't do that. Okay, one very cool thing about Igbo language is the... Okay, if you want to call the waitress in a restaurant, you make... Bia, bia, bia. And the nice thing is that thing can be heard far away. And the best thing I do, like if I go to buy food with my husband in the big shopping center, he might go to check on the meat, I might go and check on the drinks in another place. So instead of shouting his name and everybody will know, who is Ezenwa, you know, I'll just do like this. And I practice this thing, I can do it very loud now. And he will know, hey, my wife is calling me. So he will also do, so we start to locate each other. And the other, they will be looking at us like, what? Who is she kissing? What is she doing? They don't know, but it's very good, very efficient. So if you are far away from your husband, he will know, okay, my wife. Because nobody here does that. But of course, in Nigeria, it's used to call anybody to come and bring you drink or, hey, get somebody's attention very well. For us, Oibo, it's just a kiss. You want to kiss me? Yes. So language is more than just blah blah or talking or words. It's the body, the noise, the sound. How high your voice is, how low your voice is can mean different things. It's just very interesting.